Most visual artists don't need better work, they need better presentation. If you want to sell framed wall art, your audience needs to see your work in a real space, with believable light, shadows, and scale. Hi, it's Erin from the Background Company. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use one of my Photoshop frame mockups so you can create polished room images for your website, your content marketing, your shop listings, and your client presentations. The room styling, perspective, lighting, and realism effects are already built in. All you do is place your artwork, save, and your content is ready to share. First, download the mockup and open the PSD in Photoshop. If you see a message about missing fonts, click OK. It won't affect replacing the artwork. In the Layers panel, look for the layer labeled Double-Click Smart Object icon. You'll see the Smart Object icon on the thumbnail. Double-click that icon. A new tab opens. This is the Smart Object. Think of it as the artwork placeholder. This is where you place your art, and if the file includes a matte, this is also where you adjust the matte. Now place your artwork into this tab. You can copy and paste, drag and drop, or go to File, then Place Embedded. Once it's in, use Free Transform, Command-T on Mac or Control-T on PC to scale and position it. Scale from a handle, then place it exactly where you want it in the frame opening. If your artwork isn't the exact same aspect ratio as the frame opening, you have two clean options. You can scale to crop so the artwork fills edge to edge, or if this mockup includes a matte, you can adjust the matte opening to match your aspect ratio. If the file includes a matte, it will be the layer labeled Adjustable Matte, and you'll adjust it here inside the Smart Object. To change the matte color, double-click the solid color thumbnail, then use the color picker to choose your matte color and watch it update in real time. To change the matte opening size, click the mask thumbnail first. That part matters. Then use Free Transform, Command-T on Mac or Control-T on PC to adjust the opening by dragging a handle and apply the change. And this is where the matte realism is already handled for you. The file includes a matte effects stack, so you get details like realistic matte board texture, a soft matte drop shadow, and a subtle beveled edge built in, designed to make the matte look dimensional and finished. When everything looks right, save the Smart Object, Command-S on Mac or Control-S on PC. Now click back to the main mockup tab and you'll see your art update inside the frame automatically, and this is where the room realism really kicks in. The mockup includes a frame and room effects stack, things like the frame's drop shadow, light fall off from the ambient light in the room, and sometimes glass reflections. Those effects are designed to stay on so your artwork looks natural and believable in the space, but they're also adjustable if you're comfortable working with layer styles. That's the full workflow. Open the Smart Object, place your art, adjust the matte if included, save, and you're finished. This creates content that helps you sell framed wall art without printing, framing, hanging, and shooting, which are all expensive steps just to show what your work could look like on a wall. If you're a photographer, digital artist, illustrator, or any visual artist who wants better presentation and faster marketing assets, grab a frame mockup from my shop. The link is in the description. And if you want hands-on Photoshop support tailored to your workflow, you can book a one-on-one consultation with me. Hope this helps.